the Sunshine State, Tallahassee, Florida. Let's take a look at the family that needs my help this week.
Hi, I'm Blythe Newsome, and I'm a single mom with 6 kids.
Well, then they're all...
Lachlan is 13.
Laura, stop messing with that before you break it.
Aiden is 12.
Aiden, go in your room.
Daly is 9. Just walk down the stairs. Daly! Moira is 8.
I'm playing games.
Elsbith is 5.
Ah!
And Finn is 3. In the last 18 months, my husband and I, we'd been married almost 13 years. We got divorced. Because of the divorce, we sold the house. The neighborhood that we lived in, it was so great. We lived 4 houses away from my mom and dad. The kids could walk down to their grandparents. It was big, it was spacious. They had their rooms, they had a playroom.
Why did we even move from that house? That house was perfect.
Okay, I want my house back.
My word. I tell you, this lady needs to concentrate on the present, not live in the past.
Nana was part of our life forever. She was my nanny growing up and the nanny for my children. She was with my family for 30 years. About 10 months ago, Nana found a lump in her breast. It was breast cancer. Nana passed away.
You know, this is so sad. This woman has so much to deal with. And it's destroying her and her kids.
The home we're in now is very small. Children are in rooms 2 by 2s. This is actually my room, my bed. I sleep on the couch. I get maybe 4 hours of broken sleep a night. That really takes its toll.
Over a year on a couch. She seriously must need sleep.
There's no discipline in the house. I need you to sit down for a minute. Calm down. No, there's no order. It's just pure chaos. Super Nanny, I need you to help us be a family again.
You know, this mum needs my help desperately, but more than anything, these 6 kids need my help too. I'm on my way.
And then Carl becomes very defiant.
Yes, he does.
And then you try to control the impulsive behaviour. Okay? Let's go on to the next issue, and that is behaviour. I don't even know where to begin. Spitting, punching, biting, slapping.